Today we're making lemon cream pie, and this is one of my favorite summer pie recipes to make, and I can make it over and over and over again. The only baking we're going to do is to bake our pie crust. You're going to use a 9-inch regular pie dish. So make your favorite pie crust. I have a Crisco crust, and go ahead and take a fork and prick the bottom. Line your pie crust with some parchment paper and fill it with your pie weights. I always use beans, and this is going in the oven at 450 for 9 or 10 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Let's go ahead and mix our pie while our crust is in the oven. In a medium bowl, we're adding our 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. We use 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I use 2½ lemons to get the 1/2 cup. Yum. And 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. And this is the zest of about 1½ lemons. And remember, it's always easier to zest your lemon prior to squeezing the lemon. Stir this until it's well blended, and we're gonna set this aside. Let's go ahead and make our whipped cream with our hand mixer in a large bowl, a nice cold bowl. And then we're folding everything into this bowl. So to our large bowl, we're adding 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We want to keep that in the refrigerator until you get to this step. We want everything to be as cold as possible. Now I'm going to add 4 drops of yellow food coloring. The food coloring is optional. I always have it on hand. And the 4 drops of the yellow is just going to give this an extra yellow color. And then we're going to whip this on high speed with our electric mixer until we get stiff peaks. So once you get your stiff peaks, that's when you want to stop. It'll only take a couple minutes. Now this has been 2 minutes, so we don't have stiff peaks yet. We've got soft peaks. So let's go about 30 more seconds. Back on high. All right, so that was about another 15 or 20 seconds, and that's what I want. So we have stiff peaks, and you see I did put on an apron for this step. Let's add our condensed milk, lemon juice, and lemon zest mixture. And we're just going to fold this. You don't want to overwork your whipped cream, so you just go up under and turn and fold it until all of those ingredients are well combined. There, that is beautiful. Now that our pie crust is completely cool, let's pour in our luscious lemon cream pie filling. I wanted my crust to be completely cool, so I stuck this filling in the refrigerator for a bit, and you see it's already getting thick. That lemon filling is just so good, delicious. You can see some of the lemon zest. Those 4 drops of the yellow food coloring gave it a nice tint of the yellow. Our pie's going in the refrigerator to set up for about 3 hours. In the meantime, you want to go ahead and make some more homemade whipped cream using about 1 cup of whipping cream. And remember, a very cold bowl. It's going to be so lovely and so delicious. Luscious lemon pie.